struggling to communicate with others because there is a possibility that they won't follow my directions.
As a scriptwriter, what challenges did you face in making this teleserye pitch?
So, as a scriptwriter, nahirapan akong buuin yung ideas ko kasi sometimes, kapag ka may idea na ako sa ending, tapos nagsusulat pa lang ako ng beginning, nahihirapan ako kasi nakakalimutan ko yung idea ko para sa ending. So, dapat
So, as a producer, what challenges did you face in making this teleserye pitch?
So, as a producer, syempre yung mga struggle na na-encounter ko is yung magdadala ng props sa mga actors, then yung paghahanap ng mga location kung saan kami mag-shoot.
As an actress, what challenges did you face in filming this teleserye pitch?
finding appropriate clothes to wear in portraying my
So, as an actress, what challenges did you face in filming this teleserye pitch?
As a motor role actress, I've been struggling to bring my outfit needed because of availabilities. And also, since I've been playing a lot of characters, I've been struggling to memorize my script also. And the facial expression na kailangan ko.
As a main character, what challenges did you face in filming this teleserye pitch?
As a main character, ang mga challenges na naranasan ko is nahirapan ako magsulat ng script and may mga times na hindi ko matuwa yung ginagawa kong actions sa mga sinasabi ko. And minsan may awkward moments na hindi ko gusto mga kasama.
As an actress, what challenges did you face in filming this teleserye pitch?
As an actress, nahirapan ako i-maintain ang facial expression ko and nahirapan rin ako mag-memorize ng lines ko. So, as an actress, what challenges did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
Well, as an actress, I have a difficult time controlling my facial expressions and remembering my lines because I have a very terrible memory.
So, as an actress, what challenges did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
As an actress, I really tried my best to portray my character. But somehow, it is still not enough. And that is a challenge for me.
So, as an actress, what challenges or challenge did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
As an actress, it was difficult for me to play the role assigned for me.
So, as a videographer, what challenges did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
Hindi siya ganun kadali. Totally, kapag nagkakamali yung mga characters natin, kailangan namin i-reshoot yung part na yun.
So, as a main character, what challenges did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
Siguro yung mga struggle ko sa pagsasaulo, pag-acting mo sa facial expression, gano'n. So, nakailang take up sa mga ibang scenes namin. Lalo na sa
So, as a cinematographer, what challenges did you face while filming this teleserye pitch?
Organizing and editing the videos are so hard for me and I had to spend the night revising for it. Pero yung outcome is worth it naman.
Good afternoon, class. Now that we're done with ATP and ATP, let's now proceed to photosynthesis. Does anyone from your group has an idea about photosynthesis? Yes, guys.
Photosynthesis is the process where sunlight is converted into energy.
Okay, ano pa? Yes, Lorraine?
it takes living plants.
Okay. Okay, ano pa? Meron pa ba? An idea? Okay, so photosynthesis comes from the Greek word photo, means light, and from the Greek word synthesis, means to put together. Synthesis.
I'm sorry for everything with Dr.
Okay. Continue, but before we tackle about photosynthesis, we will have three activities.
roses, and the universe told me, put it in a love song.
Okay, class, please pass all your works and have 10 minutes break because I will gather all certificates and kapag ko mag-a-announce na ako ng honors. Okay? Goodbye. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, Ma'am Ann. Okay, sit down. Thank you. So, before ko ipunyag ang mga nasa honor roll, gusto ko muna mag-announce. So, upcoming Saturday and Sunday will be yung field trip day. Yes! Saan gaganapin? Sa Rizal Shrine sa Laguna. So, maraming activities na rin handa doon. Pero dahil wala tayo sa ating lugar, mahigpit ang rules ng school for everyone's safety. Ayoko na may mababalitaan ako na kahit ano. Okay? Maliwanag? Yes! So, let's start. Unfortunately, may honor na tagtag. At meron din naman natagtag. Okay? Ang mga sasabihin ko ay hindi sunod-sunod, pero ito ay naman ay honor. Simulan na tayo? Gabby Jane de la Cruz, honor. Very cold last Congratulations everyone. So tomorrow magbibigay ng mga card. Dinners in the room. And President, ikaw na bahala sa shop. Goodbye. Goodbye, Ma'am Ann. Hoy, dinners ka! Saan ka pupunta?
Hey babe, I know I'll see you. Don't be sad. You know you always have second chance to make papi naman, di ba? Cheer up. Let's just enjoy our birthday.
Hey Sam, I'll go ahead na. I'll see you tomorrow. Congrats na pala. May kami very ingat ka. Sige, bye! $500 sa gamot. $500 sa tubig. $500 sa gamot. Nay! Nandito na po ako! Ma, kamusta nga po pala kayo? Yung check-up nyo, anong sabi ng doktor? Okay lang, ganun pa rin. Wala naman siyang sinabing bad news. Talaga, Nay? Oo, tsaka pala nagpunta ako ng munisipyo para magdala ka ng requirements para sa mga may sakit na katulad. Oo, maganda rin naman po pala yun, Nay. Oo nga pala, may field trip kami. Sa Sabado at Linggo, pero huwag kang mag-alala kasi scholar ako. So wala na akong babayadan pa. Kundi yung mga snacks, so bibili na lang ako para wala na akong alalahanin pa.
Mag-enjoy ka din anak ha. Malayo si mama, huwag matikas sa ulo. Baka mamaya dahil malayo ako, maninigarilyo ka na naman ha. Pag yan, scholarship mo nawala dahil yan. Nasabi ko sa'yo.
Hindi, Nay. Huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako magsisigarilyo. Pero mag-iingat ka dito ha. Baka wala ako dito. Baka kung anong mangyari sa'yo.
Where did we stop last meeting? Perfect po! Okay, now let's move on to deformation. What is your idea about deformation? Sige, Ralph.
Deformation of rocks po.
Deforming of rocks. Based from the word deform, nade-deform siya. Yes, Lorraine. Changing
Yes, okay. Or it is a process wherein rank changes its time, date, or location. Okay, take your lunch. We will continue this tomorrow. Goodbye, Ma'am.
Hey babe,
Where's your lunch?
kumain na ako with my homies eh.
Ba't you said sabay tayo?
Kaya mo na, nakakain na ako eh. Kumain ka na lang dyan, nandito naman ako. By the way, sabay tayo sa school bus tomorrow ah.
Isn't that suspicious?
Here you go again. Are you so scared about others finding out our relationship?
Marcos, alam mo naman na.
Na-scholar ka ni dad, kaya bawal kita maging girlfriend. Ewan ko sa'yo, bahala ka dyan.
Hey Marcos, alis ka naman.
Malbar, pisag na sa bus.
This is the antesala from prison site. This is the storage and pantry case that soldiers' barracks. Ito ang ginamit nila ng storage and pantry sa kanilang barracks.
Ikaw. Oh. Ano word ang reading? Oh. Ayan. Wala. Ako din wala.
Where are you going, miss? Sige, huwag masyadong magtatagal ha.
What do you want?
You know, kasi hindi tayo tabi sa bus kanina, nagalit ka.
What? Sa tingin mo magagalit ako dahil doon? Of course not!
Eh ano ba?
Hulaan mo!
Marcos, ano ba? Lagi mo na ako pinahihirapan eh!
Ikaw! Lagi mo lang ako pinapahirapan! Ano? Hanggang kailan natin ito itatago? Hanggang kailan mo tayo sasabihin na huwag kang magpapakita sa iba? Dahil ayaw mo malaman nila na in relationship tayo.
You know my reason, Marcos! You know that is
Scholarship! Pintek na scholarship ka! Ano? Alam mo ba? Sa amin magtotropa, ako lang walang dinadala sa get together namin. Lahat sila may girlfriend, plus ano ako? Wala! Alam mo, tama sinabi nila. Walang magkakagusto sa'yo dahil mukha ka libro. Puro ka na lang, aral! Aral!
How dare you to talk me that way? Wala kang karapatan para basta mo ng ganyan. Hindi ako gamit at you can use for own benefits, Marcos Laude. Kung nag-aaral ka na iba na pagmamalaki sa mga tropa mo, pwes, magharap ka na iba. Pagod na ako. Tapos na tayo.
You're breaking up with me ha? Matapos lahat ng ginawa ng mama ko sa'yo. Ano? May pag-iwalay ka na sa akin?
Tawan mo ako! Gabi! Ano nangyari sa'yo, Gabi?
Malaki na lang ako ito.
A heart-wrenching and truly tragic story of a young explorers who set out for what's supposed to be a single field trip, only to be met with an unthinkable series of unfortunate events that will haunt them for years to come. It all started innocently enough this Saturday. Sinasabing kumpleto pa raw sila ang buong araw sa kanilang pamamasyal. Not until night comes, Bianco Lastimosa became missing, and later this morning she was found dead in the hole behind Rizal's shrine. Despite the exhaustive effort by law enforcement and volunteer search parties, there has no been signs of evidences. Since that evening, authorities have conducted multiple searches, yet each search has come out empty.
Breaks my heart to know that you're no longer with us. I think about the dreams you still had, the plans you spoke of with such enthusiasm, and all the moments we shared that will never fade in my heart. You taught me so much, more than I could teach you. You showed me the importance of kindness, of embracing each day with a positive spirit. No matter what challenges lay ahead.
On the first day you walk into my class, I know you have something special. Your smile, infectious and full of life, lit up every corner of the room. From the moment you were born, I know my life has changed. Your tiny hands, your bright eyes, your infectious love filled every day with a love I never knew was possible. It's hard to imagine a world without your smile, without your voice, without your presence in every corner of my life. The pain of knowing you're no longer here is unupdated.
Marcus, anak, dinner's ready. Marcus? Marcus, can you hear me? I said it's dinner time.
I won't eat, ma.
Marcus, anak, are you okay? Ilang araw ka na nagkakaganyan. Marcus, can you tell me what's the problem? Maybe mom can help.
Ma, I think I killed Bill.
What? Can you repeat what you just said, Marcos?
It was an accident, ma.
Ano? Why would you be involved with her? Do you know her?
She's my girlfriend. Nag-away kami that night. And natulak ko siya. Ma, I'm sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Marcos' girlfriend? Since when did you learn to lie to me? Marcos, nakapatay ka!
I'm sorry.
Hindi lang yung basta-basta! Napatay mo ang girlfriend mo! Ano gusto mong gawin ko sa'yo, ha? Humihingi ng hustisya yung pamilya niya. Gusto mo bang makulong ka?
Ma, please, no. Ayoko. Hindi ko sinasadya, ma.
Sinasadya man o hindi, napatay mo siya! Minakita mo sa inyo nung nag-away kayo?
Hindi ko alam.
Huwag kang lalabas ng bahay, ha? Don't do something stupid again, Marcos.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Ann.
So, it's been a month, yet it's still unresolved. There's no evidences, and if I had known that my announcement of honor breaks your heart, I wish I hadn't done it. Maybe ginawa niyo yun dahil nasaktan siya sa...
Ma'am, hindi niyo po kasalanan yun. Wala po may kasalanan. Ma'am, sinasabi niyo po bang tumalong po siya doon?
Gabi, ano nangyari sa'yo, Gabi?
May nakita na po ako dito. Nakakaway ka lang ba? Po, okay lang naman po ako. Parang magkakaway ka eh, simula ng interview. Nalulungkot ka pa rin ba sa nangyari sa klase mo? Baka nga po eh. Ayaw nga pala na yung papatherapy na nga po pala kayo ng student, di ba? Oo, pero wala na ba anak si Maria Dalden? Di ba siya yung may-ari ng scholarship mo? May bago siyang program anak, tinutulungan niya yung may mga cancer. And nagpasa ako ng performance test, medical certificate, baka sakaling matulungan niya tayo. Si Mrs. Long po? Oo, anak, bakit? Wala po. Tanong ako sa bahay.
Lastimosa?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, ma'am. Based on our investigations, your daughter committed suicide. There's no solid proof that there's foul play, Mrs. Lastimosa. I'm so sorry for your loss, ma'am.
Bien.
Gabby, can you talk?
Oh, hey, Lorraine. You're so serious. What's the problem?
Stop pretending, Gabby, and just speak about it. Tell them the truth.
Lorraine, are you on drugs? Anong pinagsasabi mo?
Sabihin mo na kasi na ikaw may kasalanan kung bakit namatay si Bien.
Ano?
Di ba? Kaya ka lumabas ng gabi na yun para sundan si Bien. At nung bumalik ka, hingal na hingal ka kasi napatay mo na si Bien. Di ba? Di ba?
Ano? Hindi ko magagawa yun, Lorraine. Hindi ako. Marcos killed her. Mali ang hinala mo.
Marcos? Why would Marcos do it? Eh, hindi nga sila magkakilala eh. And never ko din sila nakita pagdilit ng balat. Tama na, Gabi. Umamin ka na.
Hindi mo ba alam na may something kay Marcos tsaka kay Bien? Hindi nila ito pinapaalam kasi ayaw ni Bien. That time, lumabas si Bien para kausapin si Marcos. Pero nagkainitan lang sila at si Marcos tinulak si Bien. Nakita ko yun. Natakot ako, Lorraine. Kaya tumakbo ako. Tumakbo ako.
Bakit hindi ka nagsabi, Gabi? Bakit hindi ka nagsalita, Gabi?
Lorraine, natakot ako. Si Marcos yun. Si Marcos Laude. Kaya na nagpapaaral sa akin at sigurado ako na alam ni Mrs. Laude na na-witness ko yung lahat. Kaya pati ang inay ko, dinamay niya na rin.
Ano?
Lorraine, tinulungan niya ang inay ko sa chemotherapy niya. At hindi ko alam, pero sa tuwing magsasalita ako tungkol doon, nawawalan ako ng boses dahil paano na lang ang inay ko? Paano lang ang pag-aaral ko? Mahirap lang kami.
Gabi, pero hindi ako pinapatahimik ni Ben. Ilang buwan na siya nagpapakita sa akin, Gabi. Tulungan mo ako, maawa ka sa akin, Gabi. Gusto niya ng hustisya.
Hello, this is Prosecutor Kenji. I want to talk to you about Bien King's case.